Hey everyone, it's Nurse Cindy and welcome back to Cindy's Culinary Corner. Today I have a treat for you guys. Very, very beautiful. I know, guys. Such a bright orange color. That's the thing with cooking. Make it your own. That's the message of today.
You can live that lifestyle of eating healthy and living well. We'll do it together.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Cindy's Culinary Corner. Thank you for joining me. Today I want to share with you my Nutty protein smoothie. The ingredients are simple, very easy to put together, and I want to share it with you all, so let's get into it. Okay everyone, let's go over the ingredients that we're going to be using in today's smoothie. We have our protein powder, our so delicious coconut milk, and we have our banana, our peanut butter. This is one of my favorites. We'll go over the brand later. Some cacao powder. You can use cacao nibs if you want. Doesn't really matter. And flaxseed necessary, and our oats. So, as I say in my smoothie videos, there's no real order in putting these things in. This honestly is about a cup of oats. I'm not putting the whole thing in there because it honestly will make your smoothie rather thick, and I'm not trying to have a bowl of oatmeal here. So I'm going to sprinkle some in there, and that's about 2 tablespoons. Throw in our flaxseed. Reason why I'm putting about 2 full tablespoons of flax seeds in there is because I want that nutty texture, the nutty flavor. We're going to add our banana. This is going to give us some sweetening. You can use half of a banana if this does turn out to be a tad bit too sweet for you. I'm using about 3/4 banana there because that's a small banana. We're going to put our cacao powder. Yep. And then we're going to put our peanut butter. Peanut butter. Those of you who don't have an allergy to nuts, we know that peanut butter is very tasty, and it also will add creaminess to our smoothie, and it's a good source of protein. So let's get that in there. I try to get it in the center because peanut butter does like to stick to the sides of the jar. So, I mean, can't help it if it is sticky. We got that in there. And we're going to add some milk, about 1/2 cup. Now you may have to add more because of the oats that's in there, and it probably will thicken up a bit. So if needed, we'll add some more after we do our first blend. And then protein powder. Got that in there. We got that in there. Okay. Now, going to put, because we have a lot of dry ingredients here, so might not, so that's about a full cup of coconut milk. It might not be as liquidy as we'd like, and we're not trying to make, you know, cake batter here, so we may have to add more. But now that we have everything in here, I'm gonna go ahead and connect this to our Ninja and let it go. All right. Actually, we did good with the milk, y'all. We did good with the milk. Awesome. Now, for my Reese's Pieces Buttercup lovers out there, this is going to be reminiscent of that candy. So for you lovers of peanut butter and chocolate, give it a try. You won't regret it. So as per usual, we are going to add our ice to make our smoothie cool. And I'm gonna just put a little splash of milk because the ice is going to thicken it, and I don't need it to be too thick. So just a little splash of milk in there, and we're going to blend. There we go. There we go. We're good. Awesome. Awesome. There we go. This baby's finished. This baby is finished. So, guys, I am so excited to pour this out because it tastes so good. First time that I made this, I had to pause, you know, and just thank the Lord for the ideas that He plants in my mind because it's so good. All right. And there goes the velvety pour. The velvety pour, baby. Yes. Guys, this is beautiful and tasty. So for my smoothie lovers out there, those of you who have started to work out more, those of you who need a midday pick-me-up, those of you who are in a rush in the morning and need a quick meal, try this smoothie. You will not regret it, okay? So this is the Nutty protein smoothie. Those of you who have not already liked this video, go ahead, like it before the video ends because you're enjoying it, right? Okay. Secondly, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. And lastly, share this video with somebody that you care about. Don't keep it to yourself. See you next time as we continue to practice eating healthy and living well.